Hey everyone, this is srivastav and this is my first guitar video lesson in which I am going to teach you the guitar basics and how to tune your guitar. Okay, so before starting, let me tell you the guitar parts. Basically, the largest part here that you are seeing in this guitar is known as the guitar body, and this portion, basically this one, is known as the guitar bridge. Okay, this is a scratch card, the black portion. These are strings. This long neck, basically this is the neck, and this is a fretboard. Okay, and the parts that you are seeing in this are known as frets. Okay, so this one is headstock, and these are the tuning keys. As there are 6 strings in the guitar, each string has its own name. So basically the name of the strings are E, A, D, G, B and E. So the first string that you see, the most thinner one, is known as the E string, that is small E string. Okay, and above that the second string is known as the B string, third string is known as the G string, and the fourth one is D, the fifth one is A, and the last sixth one is a capital E string. So these are the E, A, D, G, B and E string. Okay. For a perfect sound of the guitar, you need to tune your guitar well. If your guitar is not tuned, then it will not sound well. So basically it is very hard to tune your guitar while listening to the sound of the strings. So if you have an Android phone, you can download an app known as Guitar Tuner, which is available on Play Store, and with the help of that app you can tune your guitar. Okay, so basically this is the app that I have on my phone, and as you can see, every string is given on this app. So basically the logic of this app is it will detect the sound of the string you play and automatically tell you that either it is tuned or not tuned. So let me start with the thinner one to tell you how to use this app. Basically when I play this string, it will detect and my string is tuned. Basically that's why it says that it is tuned. Okay, let me untune it first. Okay, now it says that it is too low. Too low means that it is too loose, and if it says too high, that means it is too tight. Then you need to loose your string, and if it says too low, you need to tighten your string. So I need to use my tuning keys to tune the guitar. Okay, it is still too low. Now it is tuned. Not now, I think so. Now it is tuned. Basically you have to do this thing with all the strings. Like this B string, it is tuned on my guitar. G, D, A and then E. Okay, so this app will help you to tune your guitar, and when you will tune your guitar, the guitar will sound well and you're ready to rock. Okay, so as you know the guitar basics, basically you need to exercise. There's a finger exercise that you need to follow to start playing the guitar, because if you don't know how to run your finger on the fretboard, you will not be perfect in playing the guitar. Okay, so There's a finger exercise basically which is done by these 4 fingers and on the fretboard. So with the first finger you need to press the first fret and play it like this. Second, third and fourth. The thing that you have to note down is with each finger you have to play each fret. Okay, and now you have to go reverse. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. Okay, basically there's another logic, the open string and the closed string. Basically when you press a string, this is known as a closed string, and when you play a string without pressing any of the part of the fret, then it is known as the open string. Okay, so this is an open note and this is a closed note. Okay, when you are done with this, you need to move upward to the second string. Okay, and you have to do this with all the strings. When you have done with this, now you have to practice the first string 1 2 3 4, and now the reverse 4 3 2 1, and now move upward 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. Okay, and when you reach up on the last string 2 3 4 and now the reverse 4 3 2 1, you have to move downwards 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is a finger exercise that you need to follow, and I will teach you the next lesson in my next video. Until then, bye.